Before coming to Fortis, I have diagnosed myself with a couple of doctors. I was going through a lot of pain, and then doctor told me that I am suffering from multiple fibroids in uterus. So I was quite depressed because a lot of doctors told me that they'll have to remove my uterus. One of my friend recommended Fortis name, and that too Dr. Manavita's name. So when I came to Fortis, I was not very sure, to be very honest, because kind of consultant I had in past. But after meeting with Dr. Mahajan, she assured me that this can be done without removing my uterus, and that is the point. I've started realizing, okay, I can lead a normal life, and with the help of Fortis team and Dr. Mahajan's support. That's the reason why I was feeling very quite sure about it. Okay, I can get it done through Fortis. I'm really happy I did it. Not a normal life, I can say, because at times I was not able to walk and bleeding was very heavy, and compared to my other days I used to be very, very down. I was not willing to go to office. It was impacting my official life as well. At times I used to think that, okay, I have to give up my job because this operation might be very tedious. I won't be able to get back to my normal routine. But thanks to Fortis team, they did it, and then I'm back to my normal routine. Now I can say that there's a hope I can be a mother. Earlier, all doctors told me that they will be removing my uterus. That was a laparoscopic surgery for uterus. They removed my multiple fibroids from the uterus. When other hospitals told me that they'll be removing the uterus, but what they did is they removed the problematic area. The fibroids they have removed instead of removing the whole uterus. They kind of saved the organ, which was very much required in my early 30s. Removing uterus could have been more problematic thing for me. I would say that don't give up and try to consult more doctors. In my case, the way I consulted many doctors and then landed in Fortis and landed in safe hands, I can say. So they must come and consult here. Whatever they are going through, they can just take a chance, come to Fortis.